Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the Second Industrial Revolution.
This was a time of incredible progress, but it also kicked off a brutal fight between big business and workers.
A wave of new inventions changed everything. Steel, electricity, and oil were the new power players.
But all this new tech was super expensive. That's where a new kind of business came in, the corporation. Then, corporations grouped together into massive trusts. Their goal? To completely control entire industries. This made guys like Andrew Carnegie insanely powerful. His whole empire was built on steel. His secret? Vertical integration. He owned every step of the process, from the mine to the mill. And over in the oil world, John D. Rockefeller was doing the exact same thing with his Standard Oil Company. But he also just bought out his rivals. It's called horizontal integration, and it wiped out the competition. And these methods, they created fortunes so huge the world had never seen anything like it before. But that wealth came at a cost. It was built by workers facing absolutely brutal and dangerous conditions. Experts even told managers to think of their workers not as people, but as interchangeable machine parts. This meant workers did the same boring, dangerous task all day, every day, for very little pay. So what could they do? Well, workers started to fight back by forming the first national labor unions. Early on, you had two different ideas. The Knights of Labor let almost anyone in. The AFL was way more exclusive. The companies, of course, didn't just give in. This fight for workers' rights got ugly and often violent. Three strikes in particular really show you what this struggle looked like: Haymarket, Homestead, and Pullman. At Haymarket Square in Chicago, a protest for an 8-hour workday ended in a bombing in gunfire. At a Carnegie steel mill, locked-out workers fought private guards for 14 hours. 16 people died. And the Pullman strike? It shut down the nation's railroads until the president sent in federal troops to stop it. All this violence really scared the public. You can see here, membership in groups like the Knights just collapsed. So the companies usually won these fights, but a clear line had been drawn in the sand between labor and capital. And this clash over wealth, work, and fairness, it's a fight that in many ways continues to shape our world today.